teacher. My teacher, I have a nice teacher. She helps me to learn good things. She also teaches me to talk. She also teaches me to sing and dance. She was very hard. I like my teacher. Thank you.
Hey Aarvi,
Hi sister.
today I'm going to ask you some GK questions. Will you answer?
Yes sister.
Okay. Which is the tallest animal on the earth?
Giraffe.
Which animal has a trunk and tusk?
Elephant.
What is the name of a planet?
Earth.
How many hours are there in a day?
24 hours.
Which animal is called sheep of the desert?
Camel.
Which is the fastest animal in the world?
Leopard and cheetah.
Which animal has the longest river? Which animal has longest memory?
Dolphin.
Which bird cannot fly?
Ostrich.
We get solar energy from?
Sun.
Which animal gives us wool?
Sheep.
Which animal is called king of the jungle?
Lion.
Which is the festival of color?
Holi.
Which is the festival of lights?
Diwali.
Which flower grows in water?
Lotus.
Which fruit gives us oil?
Coconut.
Which animal catches the mice?
Cat.
Which animal has no brain and heart?
Jellyfish.
Which fruit has seed outside of it?
Strawberry.
Which bird grows early in the morning?
Cock.
Which is the biggest sea animal?